Hello everyone. Don't know if these mics work. This is the first video with them, but yeah, lost the train of thought again. I'm fucking exhausted, to be honest. So yeah, couple of Oxford cars. We got a Jag police car, which my nephew chose. He's only 4, so he likes police cars. So we got that. Next up, Escort Mark II. Love a Mark II to go on the layout. Yep, so that go there, and finally an MG Midget. Lovely little car. So yeah, these will be in the car park once its construction is finished. Oh yeah, I know there's a random dinosaur on the layout, and you may have noticed, what are these green things? Oh yes, we have trees. Finally, we're starting to get some trees on the layout. I don't know how well everyone could hear me on this, so, but that's not the exciting thing, because look what I found. Box is a pretty good nick. We got Annie, and we got Clarabelle. So yeah, I don't know. They might have been used looking at the boxes, but it's hard to say. Yeah. So so yeah, here we our numbers. So you know, because these are obviously later ones, because a lot of a hit entertainment box art. So yeah, we got Annie and Clarabelle on. What I need now, they're a bit sun faded, and Clarabelle's upside down. Well done. So yeah, that's what we've got so far. Short video, just testing this mic out, because it clips onto my thing. I'm also playing a video game at the same time on my Xbox. So yeah, do all that usual stuff. To see more, I'll probably have these running behind a train in the next video. It'll have to be Gordon, unfortunately, because I don't have a Thomas. Or maybe I do, and I'm not letting anyone on. So you'll have to tune in to find out. Yeah, if you think I have got a Thomas in either Hornby or Backman, comment below and see if you got this far in the video. Anyway, let me know if the mic sounds okay, and if it don't, I'll go back to not using it. And I'll see you in the next video. So, bye everyone. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Bye, bye, bye. See you in the next vid.